Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can set a Spotify song as a ringtone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And now here we go. First thing is to do that you need to have your Windows PC and your either MacBook ready, so you can download the latest iTunes, so you can do the conversion for it to be turned as a ringtone. Once you're done that, so when you go to your songs, you're gonna go to edit and you're gonna simply go ahead and choose a particular song of yours for the conversion. As I mentioned, once you have done that, you're going to cut your Spotify song to your favorite part, only up to 30 seconds. As mentioned, you're going to go to your files and go to convert and simply go ahead and create AAC version of your song of that 30-second part that you had edited. Then you're going to connect your iPhone to your computer. Simply go to iTunes afterwards and drag your new ringtone into the tone section. This is how the whole interface should be working out. Your phone shall be connected over here, and you're simply going to go ahead and drag your iTunes and drop it. You can see your iPhone should be here with the name. This is your file, and you just have to simply paste it. Once the file has been pasted to your iPhone, you're going to go ahead and open up your phone, go to settings, go to ringtones, and now once the ringtone has been opened, you will be able to select the file that you have just added and set it as a ringtone. And that's how we do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.